sir.
repository.
What, sir?
You have already created repository, right?
Yeah, created, sir. But what they will how to that apply that code here? We need to
See, go to code, green color icon. One link will come. Copy that link.
This link, sir.
Yes. Okay, just that's it. Now go to your local. Have you installed Git in your local?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, then go to local. Create a folder. Go to downloads or documents anywhere. Create a folder. Or directly just go to downloads or documents.
Yes, sir.
Go to downloads or documents. Yes, and type git clone. Git clone. CLON.
What, sir?
CLONA. CLONA. Space. Paste the HTTPS link. Yes, correct. Enter. That's it. So see, one directory is created in downloads with the folder name as DevOps. If you will do dir here, so you will be able to say DevOps is created. Or you can go directly to CD DevOps. It must be created. Yes, go there. Yes, right here is code space dot code 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 space dot. See, VS will directly open here with this directory. See, readme.md file is there. Okay, maximize this VS code. Here, go to terminal, up and up, go run terminal is there. Yes, new terminal. Right here, git status. Git status. In terminal.
This one, sir.
In terminal, which has opened below. Yes, git status. Git, not git. Git. So see, you are on the main branch. If you will go to, you open your directory, open your local file explorer, go to downloads. Here, write ls-ltr, ls space -ltr, -ltr. No. Okay, dir works now. Okay, just go to your file explorer on UI. Go to file explorer, your local icon. Yes. Go to DevOps folder, and you can see .git file is present. In downloads. No, not the downloads. You have created. You have cloned. Yes. Here, if you will view all show hidden files and folders, you will be able to see .get file. Go to view.
Yes, sir.
View. Show hidden files and folders. Hidden last one. Click on that. See, .git folder is present, right? That means Git is installed and it is tracking. Now in the VS Code, go to VS Code. Minimize this one. Here, create one file in the left hand side. readme.md file is there, na? Create one more file, test file or Python file. Okay, enter. Here you can write any Python script. A equal to 10, B equal to 10, C equal to A plus B print C. Yes, that's it. Save it. Save the Python. I have not saved it. See that icon is there, no? No. Control S, only control S.
Sir, your voice is. Hello.
See, only control S will work. See, one green, one white color dot is there in the that is gone. That is saved now. Now you can write here in the terminal. You can write here git status. again. See, one untracked file will be there. One test file is added, untracked file. You can write
Yeah,
there git
this.
add. You can write git add test.py, or you can write git add dot, anything you want. One file is there, you can write dot also, test.py, anything. That's it. Now you can write git status and it will track this. Previously it was untracked, now it will track it. Now git status again, just to verify. See, now it is in tracking stage. Let it come. And changes needs to be committed. So just git commit -m apostrophes any meaningful message -m space that apostrophes
What's that?
apostrophe shift and that one, the double quote. No, no, not this one. No, 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 no. See, in the right hand, left hand side of, I think enter.
Yeah, this one. Double.
No, no, not this one. See, uh, use git restore is written, na? There, changes to be committed, use git restore. Before git, what is written?
Yeah, okay, sir.
This one. Any my first commit or created test.py, anything. That's it. Enter. Then write git status again and check. It will tell you that you are ahead of one commit. Okay, see, you need to, yeah, see, I told you, no, first time you need to log in. So you see, first, the command is there, na, git config -hyphen global user dot email. In that VS Code only came. Terminal. See, run, it's written, na, up, go up, see, git config -hyphen global. No, no, upside. You just copy the command.
Where, sir?
See, in the terminal only,
Yeah,
upside.
it's global.
Upside, no, go up, more up. Git config -hyphen global user dot email. No, no, not up, that up. See, run git config, this line. Copy this line. Yes, copy this. And instead of yourexample.com, write your mail ID. Paste it and change, edit it. The mail ID which you have used to create your Git account. Yes, just log in. It will try to open your browser. Let's check. This is one-time job.
It's already logged, sir.
Okay, but just it will verify from the browser. Go to your VS Code. Check here only what is happening. See. Okay, done. Now again, get commit. No, you need to commit it. At the time of committing only, that get update.
1 second, I will commit that one.
You can use up arrow. Oh no, write it. For you, writing is better, so that you will remember the command.
One
See,
file
now,
is committed.
yes, now get status. See, no, committed. It will not, until and unless you don't push it, it will not come there. See, git status. It will say that your branch is ahead by one commit. It will say your branch ahead origin main by one commit. Right.
Okay, sir. Then you have to full push now, sir.
Just to get push. That's it. Sorry. So sign in once, sign in with a browser. This is one time job. Sign in with the browser. Copy this link, copy the URL here. Page is open, copy the URL.
This URL, sir.
Yes, copy it and paste it in Chrome where Git is already logged in. Paste it. Authorize Git ecosystem. Okay, here also password. Okay, type it. Change the password later. Okay. Git is important for everybody, so don't share password or API keys and all because this will go lifetime for you. After 10 years or so in the resume, you will give this Git only account. In resume, you need to mention this Git repos and all.
Okay, so this succeeds that one.
Now go to VS Code and okay, push it once again. Okay, it has already pushed. See, as soon as you logged in, it is already pushed. So see on console, see in the yes repository, just refresh the repository and check whether that Python file came or not. See, change.
Yeah, yes.
Came.
Yes, sir.
Go back to the code and check whether that Python file. Say tested.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you can work on branch